Guys, welcome back to my channel Lotus Spirituality. Today I have come with another pickup pile. It's all about what next. If you are going or if you are dealing with something in your life at present, then what next in your life? I'm going to tell about that, okay? So as usual, I have kept here three piles here. Pineapple, apple, and mango. Okay, these three fruits are there here. Choose any one of them, whichever is attracting you very much. Choose it intuitively. Okay, if you have any confusion while choosing one or two like this, choose it intuitively, like close your eyes, take a deep breath, or you can do meditation for 1 or 2 minutes or 5 minutes if you want, and then choose any one of the fruit here. Whichever is attracting you very much, you can choose it. Okay, pineapple, apple, and mango. Okay, I have already shuffled the cards, yours, and I have kept here. Okay, and we shall start our reading with pile number 1, that is pineapple. Okay, I have already shuffled your cards. Now let us see what are there. I will quickly tell you. There is 9 of swords, 9 of wands, fool, and 4 of cups. Okay. For pile number 1, who has chosen this pineapple, I will set the camera a little so that you can see your cards properly. And Empress. 9 of swords, 9 of wands, 4 of cups, high priestess, fool, and Empress. Okay, so guys, what is coming next to you? Arrange your cards properly here so that it will be easy for you to see your cards and it will be easy for me to explain. Okay, there is 9 of swords in your past. Okay, some people will get, like my friends also were getting very much confusion whether is it about past, future, or present. They thought it's only about future. No, it's not like that. I will tell you past, present, and future. Okay, the tarot reading is like this only. Whenever we're going to do a reading, cards will also come where we shuffle. Cards will also come about your past, present, and also future. So we should explain you about it. Okay, in your past I can see your 9 of swords. That is, you were in very much of pain. You were feeling like you have tied up in your situation. Nothing else was going, no moment was there, and you were very depressed, anxiety, tension, traumas, and some kind of heartbreaks. Due to this, you were very unhappy in your past, and also you were waiting for someone or waiting in your life to get an opportunity, to get a good opportunity to come out of this situation, or else to start a new beginning, or to go in other fields like that. You were trying very much, but don't worry. I can see here you are very near for your victory. You are very near for your success. But the thing is that you must give little more concentration on it to achieve it. Okay. And I can see a 4 of cups. By this I can tell you that you have been through a massive breakup, or you have been through some losses, something like that in your past. Okay, and don't think that nothing else can be now, means no good thing can happen in your life. You can't think like that. Why? Because here you can see another cup is offering you. You are looking for these 3 cups and you are suffering, or you are very sorrow, you are very sad of that. But you can see here another cup is offering to you by the god. Okay, by this I can tell you that you are getting an opportunity, and concentrate on that. You are not concentrating on your opportunity. You are going to get an opportunity, or else you already have an opportunity. You are not concentrating on it. Concentrate on your opportunity. Okay, or else find ways. You can find ways yourself. Okay, and by, I think you have already found the way, or you know how to handle this situation now. Why? Because I have see, you can see there is Three major arcanas in this reading. Wow, High Priest is full, and the Empress. These are very beautiful cards. I can definitely say you. And by the High Priestess, I can also say that you are like, don't touch me, plant now. Why? Because why I'm telling this, because you are in a very good position now. You are like a queen for a queens, the High Priestess card. You're very intelligent, you're planning, you know how to do, what to do, and you have gained so much of knowledge, or you are going to gain so much of knowledge. And of course, these all things, bad things, you are coming out of these things, okay. And I think some of you people have already come out of that massive situation, okay. And you have started the new beginning in your life. And by the Empress card, I can tell you that you are very caring, nurturing kind of person. You have that soft corner to people, you know. You can understand people by their feelings, or like that. But you, I can tell you that you are like a nurturing person, you are like a mother person. Mother means all those qualities which a girl have, feminine qualities, okay. In this situation you are presently, okay. And you are coming out of the situation, and you're gaining knowledge. So what comes next to you means the new beginning is coming to you. What the new beginning is coming, it's all about your career. I can see here for most of them, okay. For career, you are going to gain knowledge. And if you are dealing with some aspects or situation which is not good, or which you are not happy in that situation, you are coming out of it. And also, if you are married, then you are getting pregnant. If you are single, you are getting married. Or if you are single, you can find a new person in your life. And also, it's all about the knowledge, it's all about your self growth, self love, like that. You are caring on yourself, okay. And that's a very good and great thing, I can tell you. Why? Because it's very important. Self love is very important for our inner growth and also our growth. Okay, so guys, this was it about your reading of what coming next to you. And if you like this reading, please like, share, and also comment. And thank you so much for watching Little Spirituality. Bye bye. Okay, so guys, we shall now move to pile number 2. Apple. Who has chosen this apple? We shall know what is coming next in their life. I have shuffled your cards and kept it before only. Five of Pentacles in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse, the Moon, Nine of Cups, Queen of Swords. Okay. So guys, you have been recovering from your past experience about financial loss. You are recovering now, and spiritually also you are growing. Before you were not having that much of spiritual touch, or you are not interested in that things. But now you are spiritually growing, you are recovering your financial losses. I can especially see financial losses means it might be for some people so much of expenses. It might be for some people like someone has cheated you financially, or someone have left you, or someone had cheated you in some other way. Whatever it is, take it as it resonates to you. And Two of Swords, I can see you here. You were having confusions, whole lot of confusions before, but now you have made a decision about one thing. You were having confusion between two things before earlier, but now you have decided about it, what to do about one situation, and you have already decided and moving on towards it. And now you are like not letting any of the negative people beside you, beside your surroundings. In your surroundings, you're not letting any negative people to surround around you, okay. And now you are very strict, your communication skill has grown now. You have started leading people now, and you are not in a situation where you are I can tell you are not listening to people what they are saying, but you are doing what you know, and you have set some of your own rules now, and you are taking action based on that, and it's very good energy. I can see you follow the same. And I can see also Nine of Cups. It means wealth, love, prosperity, everything is coming to you. So what's coming next? So what next for you, pile number 2, who has chosen this beautiful red color apple? I can tell you good financial position is coming to you, good love life is coming to you, good health, everything good is abundance. I can say you like that, it's coming to you, good thing is coming to you. About what good things means, it's all about your career and love life. If you have any, I don't see any health issues here. If you have, then also it gets recovered. So it was it about pile number 2, who has chosen this apple. So please like, share and also subscribe. Let me know if it resonated with you. Thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality. So this was it, pile number 2, and now we shall move to pile number 3. Who has chosen this? Mango, Star, Justice, Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. You have got great cards here. Very nice, great cards. Major Arcana, 2 major Arcanas are there. Pile number 3, who has chosen Mango, congratulations. If you are dealing with any financial things, don't worry, you are coming out of it. You are starting a new business, or you are starting a new career path. You are starting new financial goals you're setting, and you're going towards it. If you are thinking about money, I can see here you are thinking about your money, your finance and career. You are going ahead, and it's a new beginning for you again. And the star, by the star, I can tell you that currently you're working on yourself. You're currently working on yourself. You have been through some of the sorrows, and currently like this you are, but you are working on yourself, and you will get justice for your all the hard work you do for your abundance. And abundance is coming to you, because I can see 10 of Pentacles, all the family, money, health, everything will be very good. I can see a good career here, good career opportunity, family. If you're not married, you're getting married. If you're single, you're getting engaged. If any financial troubles are going or you're facing, then you're also overcoming that. And why? Because the more you do hard work, the more you're getting results. Why? See, you can see the star. The star itself says that you're working on yourself, and justice says that you're getting results for your hard work. And with the Ace of Pentacles, I can say you, for the new beginning, you're making hard work, and that beginning will be in a good positive results. With the 10 of Pentacles, I can tell like this. So it was a beautiful reading. Pile number 3, who has chosen this mango. So what's coming next to you? Abundance is coming next to you. And I can tell you one thing, that you can do more hard work, because justice card is there. The more you work, the more good results you are getting. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching Lotus Spirituality. If it has resonated with you, pile number 3, who has chosen this mango, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel Lotus Spirituality. And thank you so much for watching, and we shall meet you in my next video with another pickup. Bye bye. Until then, take care.